Hello, dear student, on the demand of you, I am giving the concept of logarithm, which student of UP and SSC board have read in class 9. CBSE students have not idea set. They joined BSc AZ or Forestry. For that persons, I am giving basic concept of logarithm, log first lecture. After that, I will give log second lecture. Dear student, on the demand of yours, I am giving a concept of logarithm. Logarithm को हिंदी में लघुगणक कहते हैं. In old days, we using logarithm for long calculation, but now you have calculator, computer, many option of calculating numeric. For logarithm, it is necessary to know law of indices, घातांक का सिद्धांत. घातांक का फर्स्ट रूल है a to the power m into a to the power n. Here a base, same base, power are different. For that we add the powers a m plus n. It is first law. Second, a to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Third, a to the power m power n is equal to a to the power m dot n. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. For that, a is maybe any number. 23 power 0 is always 1. 1000 power 0 is always 1, except a should not equal to 0. Fifth law about root, nth root a is equal to a to the power n. If we getting second root a to the power 1 upon 2, third root, similarly it can be any positive number a to the power 1 upon 3. Now we are coming the concept of logarithm. Concept of logarithm. Any number 2 की power 3 is equal to 8. 2 की power 3 is equal to 8. Here 2 is the base, 3 is the power or indices. Resulted, this can be write in log form. Log 8 for base 2 is equal to 3. Log 8 for base is equal to 3. It is an index form and this one is the logarithm form. 8 is coming in 8, 2 is coming 3 times. This can be written in the log form. लघुगणक के रूप में लिखा जा सकता है. Log 8 base 2 is equal to 3. Log 8 for base log 8 for base 2 is 3. Log 8 for base 2 is 3. Log 8 for base 2 is 3. अब इसको जनरलाइज भी कर सकते हैं. जनरलाइज a to the power m is equal to x. A is number, m is power, x is result. A is here base. If we write in log form, log x base a is equal to m. This is the log form. Similarly, any number can be written in the index form and converted into log form. A to the power x is equal to m. Log m base a is equal to x. And here a to the power y is equal to n. This can be written in the log form. N for base a is equal to y. Now we are coming basic rules of log or basic laws of logarithm. Suppose 10 की power 0. 10 की power 0 is equal to 1. If you write index form, here 10 is the base, 0 is the power, 1 is the result. Log 1 base 10 is equal to 0. Similarly, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. A is any number. Log 1 base a is equal to 0. Conclusion, we find value of log 1 is always equal to 0 for any base. Base is any. Suppose log 1 base 23 is also 0 because we know power 23 0 is equal to 1. This way, we can said value of log 1 is always equal to 0 for any base. Second, 10 power 1 is equal to 10 index form. Log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. A e power n is equal to a, log a for base a is equal to 1. Means 10 की power 1 is 10, log 10 base 10 is equal to 1, a to the power 1 is equal to a, log a base a is equal to 1. If the value and base are same, the value of log equal to always 1. Now we are coming sum formula and addition formula. Sum formula, difference formula. Suppose a to the power x is equal to m. The index form, if we write in log form, log m base a is equal to x. Similarly, a to the power y is equal to n. If we write in index log form, log n base a is equal to y. Here we multiply equation 1 and equation 2, applying the law, first law, a to the power x multiplied by a to the power y, m into n. Power are added here, law of indices, a to the power x plus y is equal to m dot n. We will find, if this is index form, a is the base, x plus y is the power, m into n. If you write in index form, log m into n base a is equal to x plus y. If we putting the actual value of x and y from here, we put log m base a plus log n base a. We find a formula, log m dot n is equal to a, log m base a plus log n base a. Now second one, if we divided equation 1 to equation 2, we divide the equation 1 to equation 2, we find a to the power x upon a to the power y is equal to m power n. We apply the law of division formula, a to the power x minus y is equal to m upon n. Here x minus y is the power, a is the base, m upon n written in the log m base a is equal to x minus y. Log m upon base a is equal to log m base a minus log n base a. Now a to the power x is equal to m. First equation, a to the power x is equal to m, taking nth power of both sides. Nth power of both sides. We find a to the power x is equal to m to the power n. On applying the law of indices, power multiplied n. Here a is the base, nx is the power, m and result. We find log m base a is equal to nx. Putting the actual value of x, we find n base a is equal to n log m base a. Now in these three formula, we can do any number in simplified form. Addition formula, log m base a is equal to log m base a plus log n base a. Difference formula, log m power, by n base a is equal to log m base a minus log n base a. If any power is multiplied, a to the power x is equal to m, taking nth power of both sides, a to the power x n is equal to m by n, multiplying the nx, and we'll find power is multiplied side the log. This is the third formula. A very important formula, change of base. Now we are deriving. Now we are deriving. You see, log m base a is equal to x. Our aim to find out base is changed in place of a by b. Change base formula. Change base formula. Change base formula. For that, we write in index form. This will become n. Our aim to change base b in the place of a. a की जगह बेस b हो जाए. For that we convert in index form a to the power x is equal to m, taking logarithm of both side for base b. We will find a to the power x for base b and log m for base b. We know log m to the power n side multiplied n to the power m. From here power is x, so it is multiplied here. Log a base b is equal to log m base b. Log m base b. We put the actual value of x, log m base a, log a base b is equal to log m base b. We get here in the form of b. Simplified form, log m base a is equal to log m base b divided by log a base b. This is change base formula. Here we see log m base a. If you want to base is change in form of b, we can write log m base b or log a base b. It is, this is the final formula. In this way we can change the base. Now remarks. If a formula here we find a formula, you see log a base b. We want base is convert in place of b a. Change base formula we have derived log m base a. If you change base b, log m base b and log m base b. This formula log m base a, log m base b and log a base b. In this way, if we want in the place of b, base is convert a, we write log a base a divided by log. इन बेस के फार्मूले से एक नया कंसेप्ट निकाल सकते हैं. log a बेस b है और हम चाहते हैं b की जगह बेस a हो जाए. तो चेंज बेस फार्मूला जो हमने पढ़ा था log m बेस a इक्वल टू log m बेस b अपॉन log a बेस b. अगर हम b की जगह a लिखना चाहें तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फार्मूला वी कैन राइट log a बेस a अपॉन log b बेस a. आप जानते हैं कि log a बेस log और बेस सेम है तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 हो जाती है. हमने पहला फार्मूला बताया था. तो इन दिस वे हम लिख सकते हैं कि log a बेस b की जगह 1 अपॉन log b बेस a. इस तरह हम इसको रिवर्स कर सकते हैं. इससे कंक्लूजन एक और निकलता है log a बेस b. अगर इसको दूसरी तरफ ले आए तो log b बेस a इक्वल टू 1. तो ये चेंज बेस की मदद से एक नया फार्मूला डिराइव हो जाता है जो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल हो जाता है. अब log के कई क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं जो हम कर सकते हैं. अब जैसे ये है, ये आपका दिया हुआ है एक्सप्रेस 1 + 1/2 log 16 base 10 and 3 log 2 base 10 as a सिंगल लॉगरिथम। इसको एक सिंगल लॉगरिथम में हमें लिखना है। तो सब बेस 10 है, यहाँ भी बेस 10 है, यहाँ भी बेस 10 है, यहाँ 1 है, तो 1 को हम सेम बेस में लाना चाहते हैं, तो हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं 1 की जगह log 10 बेस 10। अच्छा, आपको हमने बताया जो साइड में मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है वो पावर में आ जा सकता है, तो ये 2 को पावर में ले जाएं तो ये आपका हो जाएगा log 16 पावर 1/2 बेस 10, और ये आपका भी पावर में ले जाएं तो इसको लिख सकते हैं log 2 बेस 3 बेस 10। 3 log पावर को साइड में ले जाएं। अब देखिए सब log बेस 10 के बन गए, तो ये आपका हो जाएगा log 11 बेस 10, और 16 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 की पावर 4, 4 की पावर 2, 4 की पावर 2, और ये पावर 2 है, और ये है 3, 2 की पावर 3 को लिख सकते हैं 8, 2 की पावर 3 को लिख सकते हैं 8। अब पावर के ऊपर पावर होती है तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाता है, तो ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो ये आपका हो जाएगा log 10 log 10, ये 10 1 को हमने log 10 बेस 10 लिखा है, log 10 बेस 10, ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये आपका हो जाएगा log 4 बेस 10, और इनको हम लिख सकते हैं log 4 इंटू 2, log 4 इंटू 2, ये आपका log 8 है। अब ये देखिए हमारा फार्मूला ये होता था ना, log m इंटू n इक्वल टू log m प्लस log n। With help of this formula, log 10 base 10, log 4 this one, we multiply this one, log 10 into 4 base 10 and log 8 base 10. This will become 40, log 40 base 10, और ये हो गया log 8 base 10। अब डिवीजन फार्मूला हम जानते हैं, log m बाई n इक्वल टू log m माइनस log n। तो यहाँ log मल्टीप्लाई करें तो ये हो जाएगा log 40 डिवाइडेड बाई 8 बेस 10, और इसको जब फाइनल सॉल्व करेंगे तो 8 5 जा 40, 8 5 जा 40, तो हमको आंसर मिल जाएगा log 5 बेस 10। तो ये देखिए log 5 बेस 10 ये आपका सिंप्लीफाई होके आ गया। तो इस तरह हम log का यूज करके कई कंसेप्ट निकाल सकते हैं। अब ये जैसे है log 44 log 144, अगर बेस लिखा नहीं है तो इट इज अंडरस्टूड बेस इज 10, log 144 कन्वर्ट into log 2 and log 3, इसमें आपको बेस कन्वर्ट करना है log 144 को 2 और इसके बेस में। तो अगर इसको हम फैक्टराइज करें 144, तो अगर सिंगल से ले सकें तो ये 2, ये 7, 2 7 जा 14, 2 7 जा 14, 2 2 जा 4। अब again it is 2 3 जा 6 and 2 3 6 and it is 12, 2 1 जा 2, 2 1 जा 2, and ये 2 8 जा 16, 2 9 जा, and this is divisible by 3, 3 1। तो log 144 we can write log 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and this can be written 2 4 times, 2 की power 4 and 2 की power 3, 2 की power 4 and 2 की power 3. Okay, 3 की power 2, 3 की power 2. This is here you see 2 4 times, 2 की power 4 and 3 की power 2. Of addition formula we can write log 2 की power 4 plus 3 की power 2, 3 की power 2. पावर साइड में आ जाएगी तो ये हो जाएगा 4 log 2 plus 2 log 3. In this way we convert log 44 in the form of log 2 and 3. You see one more questions. If a square plus b square is equal to 7ab, prove that 2 log a plus b is equal to log 9 log a plus log b. Log b. You see here a square plus b square is equal to 7ab. We know a plus b whole square is equal to a square b square plus 2ab. You see here 2ab is sought for making perfect square. For that, adding both side by 2ab. This will become a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this will become 9ab. This we can write a plus b whole square, and this will become 9ab. Taking logarithm of both side, log a plus b whole square is equal to log 9ab. Applying the log power, then it is a plus b, and here 9 into a into b, we can break log 9 log a plus log b. In this way, if a plus b is a square is equal to 7ab, we can prove that 2 log a plus b is equal to log 9 plus log a plus log b. In this way, we can do many questions. One question, in this way, we can do many questions based upon formula log m into n is equal to log m plus log n, and log m by n is equal to log m minus log n, and log m to the power n is equal to n log m. One more, you see one more questions. Suppose find the value of log 49 for base t 343. We suppose find the value of log 49 for base 343. We suppose log 49 343 value is x. It is written in the logarithm form. We can convert like that: log m base a is equal to x, a to the power x is equal to a to the power x is equal to m. Applying this way, here base is 343 and log 49 and this is the result. We can convert in this way in index form. 343 is equal to 49. 343 x 343 की power x log 49 343 is equal to x. We can convert logarithm form into index form. 343 power x is equal to 49. 343 on breakup of 343 3x and here 49 we can write still this power multiply हो जाती है तो ये 3x is equal to 7 power 2. Here equality sign, base is same, it means power is also same. Power is also same. If base is same, power is also same. Power is also same. 3x is equal to 2 means x is equal to 2 by 3. In this way, we can able to find the value of 49. Log 49 for base 3 is 2 by 3. Answer is 2 by 3. In this way, we with the help of log, we can break these values. We can help of log, we can break these values. One question is always coming in the exam. Your exam, you see log 75 base 16 minus 2 log 59 plus log 32 upon 243 is equal to prove log 2. Prove log 75 minus 2 log 5 upon 9 plus log 32 to 4 of 3. We take second side, LS side. We take LS side. Here log 75 we can break 3 into 5 into 5, 25 into 3, and 16 we can say 2 की power 4. Here 2 log 5 upon 9, 9 we can write 3 की power 2 plus log 42 we can write 2 की power 5. 243 we can write 3 की power 5. Now applying the difference formula, this can be right. We can write log 3 into 5 की power 2 minus log 2 की power 4. Here we can write minus 2 log 5 minus log 3 की power 2. Here we can write log 2 की power 5 minus log 3 की power 5. On breaking them, we will find log 3 and plus log 5 की power 2 minus log 2 की power 4. Here 2 log 5 minus plus become plus 2 log 3 here 2 log 3 and 2 log 3. Here this one we can write 5 log 2 and this is 5 log 3. Here 3 की power 2 multiplied by 2, it will become 4. 2 multiplied by 2 power 2. And now collect simultaneous thing. Log 3 plus 4 log 3 minus 5 log 3, value of log 5, 2 log 5, and here also 2 log 5, 2 log 5, okay. And here 5 log 2 minus 4 log 2. You see here 5 log 3 minus 5 log 3, 4 plus 1 is 5. Here 2 log 5 minus 2 log 5. Here 5 log 2 minus 4 log 2, log 2. This eliminated by this eliminated by this, and this is log 2. This is RS side. This question is coming in exam very times. I have also given in midterm many times. This way we can do the log and basic formula of log. In second lecture of log, they give concept of Mantessa and characteristics.